everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to use live activities on iPhone. Live activities features offers real-time information right on your iPhone lock screen or dynamic island at a glance. So in this video I'll tell you how can you use it. But first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. For this, open the settings app in your iPhone. Next, scroll down and go to Face ID and passcode. Tap on it and then it will ask you to enter your passcode. So enter your passcode. Next, scroll down. Under Allow Access when logged, tap on its toggle button to enable it. Beside turning on live activities from Face ID and passcode setting, you must ensure that you have enabled notifications for apps that support this feature. Moreover, you must allow the app to show notifications on the lock screen and you are done. Next thing, I am going to tell you how to turn on live activities for individual apps. If you only want to use live activities with certain apps on your iPhone, you can toggle the feature on and off individually on a per app basis. For this, go to Settings. Next, scroll down to the bottom and choose Apps. From there, choose an app and toggle on live activities and you are done. If you want live activities from a certain app to be shown more frequently on your iPhone lock screen than others, you can toggle on more frequent updates from the same menu. This allows app to have priority access to fresh information and you are done. I hope this video will help you to use live activities on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.